Alright, once you've imported your data into EViews, to run your regression you want to click on Quick, scroll down to Estimate Equation, and now you're given the equation estimation box. The first thing you want to type in is going to be your dependent variable. In this case I'm going to use diesel. What's next is usually the constant, so just press C. You'll always want to include your constant unless for some reason you want to drop it and force your equation to go through the origin, but there's probably no reason you'd ever want to do that, so just include C here. And two of my explanatory variables are going to be oil and degree days. And let's say I want to include monthly dummies as well, so I'll go at expand at month, and since I've included my constant, I'm going to want to drop the last month in my month dummies, otherwise I'll have a collinearity problem. So at drop last. And the good thing about this box is you can set your sample date. So if you have uneven data, say I had diesel prices for 1994 but I only have degree days data for starting in 1996, you can change this data without changing maybe your Excel file or whatever you use to import it, because you want to have an even time series for each one of these variables to be the exact same. And that's the situation here, so I can click OK, and then you've run your regression, and that's it right there. Another quicker way to do it is if your data is already aligned to have the exact same dates to where it's even, you can just use the command box prompt here. You can type in ls for least squares. The one immediately following that is going to be your dependent variable. Include your constant, your explanatory variables, oil and D days, and my month dummies at expand, at month for monthly data, at drop last to avoid collinearity problems, and hit enter. And there you go. And that's your regression output.